Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to recover your Gmail account. If you have lost access to your Gmail account, and they are facing too many failure attempts and other issues, so how you can fix all these things. First of all, open Chrome browser. And then here you will see this browser. You have to tap on it, and you have to search Google account help. Then you click on first link that say Google account help. And then you click on community. And scroll down, then you one post. Scroll down, and here type short summary of your issue. Scroll down and you explain the problem you are facing and what you have tried. Go to mobile home screen, and open Gallery. Copy this issue, and go to Chrome. Paste problem here. And then attach your problem screenshot. Scroll down here, select category. Click on account access and recovery. And click next. After that, here you select other option. And click on next step. Scroll down and again click on next step. Here you select platform, so my device is iPhone, so I select iOS. And click next step. Scroll down and here check mark. Now you can post. You have successfully posted in Google Help community. Most questions receive a reply within 24 hours. We'll send you an email notification when there is a reply to your question. After that, you go to home screen and wait 24 hours or 72 hours, and then after 72 hours open Gmail. And then go to profile, which is top right, and click on add another account. Then click on Google. And continue. After that, you sign in your disabled Google account. And click next. Enter your disabled Gmail password. Click next. Account recovered successfully. Here you can check disabled Gmail. A new sign-in on Apple iPhone. We noticed a new sign-in to your Google account on the Apple iPhone device. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.